Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top of strategies for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first video is called Melted Crayons, a more colorful music experience. So it's a vibrant background visualizer to the Apple Music and Spotify players. This video is called Color Flow 5 and colorize your music. So Colorful matches the outplaying UI to your music's album artwork and adds in the iOS 10 style music player on the lock screen. This video is called Foot's Ratings for Netflix, compatible with iOS 8 to 14 and Netflix 9.x.x through 13.x.x. So it's testing on version of Netflix version 13.14.2. Only works with titles that are presented in English. So the tweet that presents the user with an enhanced rating from a popular online website that provides user critics, reviews, and various filmography directly within the Netflix application for iOS filmography. When available, additional ratings is seamlessly shown underneath the title of the summary page when you give a movie or TV show. So what's great about this tweak is that it tells you like the range for from the Netflix films and movies and TV shows. So why that's great is because you can see if it's a great show or movie, and that right there can tell you if you want to watch it or not. If it's rated as like a 2 out of 10 stars, you probably don't want to watch it. It's probably not gonna be good. But if it's rated like 8 out of 10 stars, then you want to watch it and give it a try because it's most likely gonna be a good movie. So I mean that's pretty cool. I think Netflix should automatically add this, but that would take away from you deciding what movie you want to watch and TV show. So I see why, but still it'll be nice to know the ratings per the show or movie you're watching on Netflix. This is called Tap Tap Lock, and simply lock your device by tapping on the home screen. Supports iOS 10 to 13. This is called Ringer Actions. Enhances the Ringer switch by adding an array of custom actions. Total flashlight, turn on Do Not Disturb, enable airplane mode, launch custom apps, and more. This is called Tinny Tuss, and play random ringtone from a user defined list for incoming calls. This is called YouTube Music Reborn, YouTube Music Customizer. This is called Checkra1n, and what this tweak does, it's iOS 14 indicators dots for iOS 12 and 13. Depending on the dot, it shows you what is being used. So this is originally an only iOS 14 feature, but this tweak brings it to iOS 12 and 13 devices as well. This newest update, version 1.1.1, has Soren Swipe, and it fixes crashes and more. The next tweak is called Agent Camera. It's just like, what's that tweak called? Spark Dev. It's like a secret camera. I forgot what it's called. But basically what it does is that you can record without anybody noticing. So if you need objective evidence, if this app fulfills that desire, if you're an intelligence agent, so you basically you record while you're like on Google or whatever, and then they'll be like, well, stop recording me, what are you doing? You show them that you're on Google, and you're like, I'm not recording you, but you really are. So this is a cool tweak. I gotta look up that tweak that's from SparkDev. Oh, Sneaky Cam, that's what it's called. I just remember it. So Sneaky Cam's just like this, but I prefer Sneaky Cam. And also Sneaky Cam, I believe, is also free. This one's not. But it's only $2. Not bad. This is called TuneC, static and animated icon theming platform for iOS 11 and 13. This is called Brick Date, forbid manually setting date, especially 1970, which will brick your device. Yeah, this actually used to be a thing, guys, back in the day, where if you actually set your device in 1970, it would actually brick your device, because I guess it wasn't made to go back that far, but this fixes that. And Brick Fits, please install this if you have iMessage enabled. So requires you to restore if the bug permanently bricks your phone. There's no reason to not install this if you have iMessage enabled. You can saving your jailbreak, you never know. This is called Choicey. It's an advanced tweak configurator, not a jailbreak touch and bypass. Disables tweak injection for your apps and games, so you can allow certain apps and games to be injected with the tweets. So it supports iOS 10 to 14. Just one thing you don't want to do is not enable tweets in settings, because this is how you guys access this tweak in settings. So if you do that, you're kind of screwed. You would have to actually go into safe mode, or what else do you have to do? Yeah, you probably have to go to safe mode, and then probably have to reboot in safe mode, I'm guessing, and then or go to Cydia, and then you just gotta remove Choicey. And maybe reinstall it. Maybe that'll work. This is called Gym Pass Jailbreak bypass jailbreak detection, and Gym Pass. This is called Escape. If you're coming called to escape from a pretty embarrassing moment, so if someone shoots your phone, or if you just need to leave a conversation that's really awkward, or you just don't want to be in, you can fake a call and just walk away and pretend it's someone that is calling you, but there's really no one calling you. So could save you. You could get out of really embarrassing or really uncomfortable situations with this tweak. Next tweak is called What to Do 2 for WhatsApp. It's compatible with iOS 9 to 14. It makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use, allowing you to change every part of the app to satisfy your needs. So You have these features right here for it. This is called EQE, and it's a system-wide parametric equalizer. Compared with iOS 7.14, Checkra1n is recommended. So, if you have questions, guys, this is how you guys do your call center integration. So, yep. And is that the last tweak? Not yet. We're not done yet, guys. We're not done yet. Alright, hold on. We're almost done. Next tweak is called Easy YouTube. Ports VLC gestures to the YouTube app. This is called Marker. Added iOS 12 support as promised and adds more activation areas. So it's a better and easy way to move the cursor and select text on iOS. This is called Spring Artwork for your wallpaper. This is called Nets Up 2. View and skip the Nets track. This is called Cydia Quick Translations. You can now enjoy Cydia Quick in English and German. So this is just a translation. This is called EW2 settings icons cream and bling your settings with diamonds. And the last tweak is called Hermet. It's adjustable speed effects for opening and closing with apps and switcher. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. So I just want to also mention that this chooses the fast speed effects animations when you close and open apps, so it really makes your device feel like it's a lot faster. So when I'm using my device, open up apps, close apps, it's like it zooms right in, like within a second it's open. So having that like animation that opens it and comes to you, so it's just a lot. It really makes you feel like your device is like 20 times faster. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.